time spent on that, a lot of time.
A lot of details.
Absolutely beautiful. Justin, today, I think that a lot of us were grateful that it cooled down just a little.
Yeah.
It just wasn't as stifling as yesterday.
The wind helped and a little bit of the temperatures, but we still have plenty of heat and humidity both weekends. How many people opened their pools, got on the area lakes? It was definitely a summer-like weekend, and looking outside, we do have some showers and thunderstorms been ongoing across Texas. Dry lines set up, but we were a little too capped. We had that lid in the atmosphere. No matter, we were very unstable here. We were sitting on a powder keg, but again, that cap kept us nice and cool. Big time thunderstorms once again across Nebraska, Iowa, northern half of Missouri into Illinois. This has been the corridor for the last 3 days of a lot of severe weather and some tornadoes and big hail. Big hail and high winds and some very heavy rains. Some parts of North Texas here where these storms were stalling out received 6 to 8 inches of rain here this evening with some localized flooding. That is moving into the west side of the Metroplex right now and weakening. For us, clear skies, southeast wind is blowing. Look at the humidity. The air that you wear is in full effect. You can cut it with a knife with a 91% humidity out there. As you definitely notice the difference between in and out of the house with the AC, and that'll be the hum of ACs running here for the overnight. Temperatures will only fall into the middle to upper 60s with those south winds continue. As you can see, temperatures still right now into the middle to upper 70s in some locations. A little windy out there to the northwest, as generally winds will be 10 to 20 for the overnight. Occasional wind gusts 25 to 30, especially out to west and northwest. There's that dry line area of low pressure. Here's where the jet stream is. It's north of us. We have very light winds, and they're only decreasing. And what will happen is we'll have a little bubble of high pressure with very light winds, but we have a weather system that's developing here in the next 24 to 36 hours across southern half of Texas. This storm system will continue to come in. What it'll do is it'll dig out and pull this off towards the north. And this could be a localized heavy rainmaker with a wave of showers and thunderstorms late Wednesday into Wednesday night. The next one will come in over the weekend. That could be some cooler weather, cloudier weather, and some good rain chances as well. So we still remain very active in this weather pattern. Main jet stream off to the north. Again, weak front, dry line, lots of heat and humidity. We'll have to wait and see if a couple storms can develop tomorrow evening into the overnight with this front that develops. There's that developing area, low pressure and tropical moisture, a lot of tropical moisture with this. And the latest projection takes it right up I-35 and into the center half and eastern half of the state Wednesday evening, Wednesday night into Thursday morning, as then the main weather system starts to set up. So here comes a wave of rain and showers and thunderstorms. Thursday, we'll have a front nearby, a little bit of jet stream energy, so we'll have to wait and see maybe a couple isolated severe thunderstorms on Thursday. Friday looks quiet, and then here comes that next wave of rain comes in over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Cloudy, cooler weather. So we stay active and some good rain chances ahead. And over the next week, not everybody will see a heavy rain, but I think pretty much everybody will see some rain this week. There will be pockets of 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 inch rainfall amounts. This tropical areas, feast or famine over your location. So we'll put a dent on some of this drought, even out towards the west. So we've put a drought last week. We've dropped from 20% to 10% in the exceptional drought. Hopefully, we can get the rain out to the west and northwest for you here this week. Temperatures here tonight into the 60s, warm, dry tomorrow with mostly sunny skies, middle to upper 80s here across the metro with a south wind a little less. Front comes in with the 90s and 80s, heat and humidity. We couldn't rule out a couple isolated thunderstorms here across the northern half of the state. As we head towards tomorrow evening, we'll have to wait and see how many storms we do develop, but northern and northeastern half of the state will have the best chance. A couple of them could be severe. So we'll throw in a 20% to a 40% chance Monday evening into Monday night. Looks dry on Tuesday. Heavier rains possible late Wednesday into Thursday, and then more rain and more cloud cover. And Mother's Day is looking a little wet with temperatures in the 70s.